The Momentum Interactive Calculator solves momentum, impulse, and collision problems in physics and engineering applications. This calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: linear momentum, impulse from force and time, elastic collision to objects, perfectly inelastic collision, final velocity from impulse, and average force from momentum change. For this demonstration, I'm using linear momentum mode. The input fields vary based on your selected mode. In linear momentum mode, you enter mass m in kilograms and initial velocity vi in meters per second. For collision modes, you'll see mass 1 m1, mass 2 m2, initial velocity 1 v1i, and initial velocity 2 v2i fields. Impulse mode requires force F in newtons and time interval delta t in seconds. Let's work through a linear momentum example. When you enter a mass and velocity, clicking Calculate gives you the momentum result in Newton seconds. For collision calculations, the outputs include final velocities for both objects, initial and final kinetic energies, and energy loss during impact. The impulse modes calculate either the impulse value or the resulting velocity change. This tool streamlines momentum and collision analysis for engineering design and physics calculations. Find the link in the description below.